For our key activity, we chose the state of Jalisco. First, we captured all the data here in an Excel, as you can see, for the 2 years. Then we went to GeoGebra and did the table. Here it gave us an equation. With that equation, then we went to Desmos and graphed it. Then with the graph that they gave us and the points, we made an estimation of the amplitude, the period, the shift, and everything we needed in order to create our own graph, that it is this one that we show in the presentation. And with that, we could do all the analysis.
Amplitude. (0.7x menos 3). Después hay que sacar el horizontal shift, que sería 21.1.
During this project, I made sure to give out ideas and try to solve what was asked, so I could collaborate with my teammates. I also put together this video, so I made sure to put together the important parts of the process of when we were solving this project, and putting together the videos that my partners sent me so we could create this video. To achieve our goals, we made sure to always stay on time and to work together. If we had any doubts, if we didn't understand anything, we relied in one another, and if we didn't get it, we asked the teacher for help. When one of our teammates contributed with an idea, we made sure to always listen with an open mind, to try and ask questions if we didn't understand, to give feedback, to always keep it in mind that other people's ideas are very valuable, not only ours. So we always made sure to pay attention to other people when they were speaking and take into consideration what they're saying. When working together as a team, I always made sure to support my teammates, to help them do what they were doing, to do my things when I had to do them, and I made sure to make my best effort to do things correctly, to make this video and to answer the questions that I was assigned.
Hi, my name is Andres Mojardo, and this is my video reflection for the key assessment. I'll start with the questions. The first question, that is, why was your individual collaboration important during this activity? Well, I think that my individual collaboration was important because I helped in several things, such as the formula, to make the formula and write all the data, and by doing the formula, basing in the amplitude, the horizontal shift, vertical shift, and other aspects. The second question is, what were the strategies to achieve the goal set by the team? As I say, the strategies we use is by using the graph that we already have. Thanks to the data, we make our prediction out of that, and that's how we get to the result. What did you do when your teammates contributed with ideas? In that moment, we analyze that idea and then construct it so we can do it effectively. And lastly, to achieve the team goal, what was your contribution? As I already said, I helped by doing the prediction of the formula, and by doing that we could make our production graph and compare it to the original.
Hello, my name is Valentina, and why was my individual collaboration important during this activity? It was important because I was in charge of the tables and capturing the data. I was in charge of making sure everything was in order and there were no errors. What were the strategies that we used to have every part divided by a team member, so we wouldn't have any confusions on what every member should do? And what did I do when my teammates contributed with ideas? I certainly listed to them. I wanted to have every idea clear, and everything that they needed or had a question, I tried to help. And to achieve that goal, what was my contribution? I tried to be punctual with my work and to do everything I needed to do. I did what was assigned to my role.
So our individual collaboration, like each member, it's extremely important, since if everyone works like with an equal amount of work, then not everyone's gonna have a lot of work. And of course this can be extremely important, since at the end we want to achieve a good grade. And if everyone works at the time and with the same amount as everyone else, this can be done easily. Of course, the strategies to achieve are simple. Everyone divides its own part of the work, but of course, since I joined late, I helped with what I could do. That was some mathematical equations, but of course, if there was something that wasn't right, I got help from my teammates, and we divided the work so that everyone can do like the same amount of things. Of course, if someone like contributes with an idea, we can discuss it and we can see if it's the best for the activity and to achieve the team goal, which is to have a good grade and of course to learn about this topic. I helped with what the knowledge I had previously from my other mathematics classroom, and to help my teammates to know how to use Excel, and to answer some questions. Thank you.
Why is it important to have a modeling situation? Because in this type of problems such as climate change or pandemic, we need to have maybe not 100% of a prediction, but a close prediction of what could happen next. Another phenomenon that can be predicted, as I previously said, a pandemic such as COVID-19 pandemic in the last years, they could predict how the next cases will be in different months, and difficulties when solving the activity. It was kind of hard performing doing our own formula because we had to be as close as possible, and we were kind of nervous about it, but I think we did great. But that was our little difficulty.